Just discovered GenSpark AI, making very big claims, multi-agent systems from video. You can kind of see the list there, the selection. VO's there, apparently. Anyway, it's going to use a mixture of agents to create a video. Let's see what happens. So you can see my prompt there. Very simple. I want a video that will share about GenSpark AI to the world, and look at it, how it's produced this video, right? So it's got a whole reflection thing. What's this? Auto prompt. So it's auto prompted. It's coming up with its own prompts. This is an agent, yeah. Dynamic animation, blah blah blah. Auto prompt there again. This is for a 5-second video, I think, to introduce GenSpark AI to the world. Look at what we have got, and it's auto prompted every scene, and I've run out of credits. That's great. I still can't completely work it out, but GenSpark has a bunch of interesting features. You can see there the menu, task list. So I'm sure you're going to go play with GenSpark AI yourselves. But it's really interesting to watch. This looks like the founder's video. I've speeded it up a little bit just so you can see some of the things or the use cases that he demonstrates. Anyway, ready? Here we go.
Let's see GenSpark Super Agent in action. I asked Super Agent to plan a 5-day trip to San Diego in mid-April. It started by using the travel tool to access our travel datasets. It then used the deep research tool to find public transportation options. Next,
so this is a multi-agent platform, yeah?
Here's the final itinerary.
Super agent.
It accommodates all my special requests about public transportation, walking distances, and restaurant preference. Now, I want the AI to book all the restaurants on this trip for me. Super Agent offers this call for me tool where the AI actually calls the restaurant with a human voice.
This is mad.
Hi, Julian. I'd like to make a dinner reservation.
Yeah, for what day?
April 26th, please. Actually, one person has a shellfish allergy and another is vegetarian.
And do you have a preference on seating? Would you like a booth, window?
I haven't tried this myself yet. I wonder if it'll work in the UK as well.
I have the reservation for Saturday, April 26th.
Just imagine, the AI makes 100 calls by an NVIDIA 5090 chip for you. How convenient is that? Have you thought about AI creating personalized videos for you based on your interests? Say, I want to see how calamansi and pistachio crusted.
Okay, this bit's really interesting. There's the IP considerations with the South Park video that it comes up, but the food video that it does, again, I can't think if it's that simple on platforms like Runway or whatever to do something like this. Watch.
Codfish is cooked in a video. The Super Agent first researches the recipe, then it uses the video generation tool to create video clips for each step. Then it uses its audio generation tool to generate sound effects for each clip. Here's the final reel. How cool is that? Anyone can create their own video without knowing a single thing about video editing software. How about using Super Agent to create a sound?
Right, so this is the IP part I mentioned, and South Park, very well-known brand, very well-known IP. Is this saying that I can go and create my own South Park videos? I think so. Watch this.
Style episode based on news last week. The AI picked the viral signal hit controversy. Now it's fleshing out the complete script, and then it decides to use its video generation tool to produce video clips for each scene. Now, Super Agent uses its text-to-speech models to generate voices. Finished episode runs about 1.5 minutes, so I'll jump ahead to highlight some of my favorite moments.
Did you guys see the news about that defense guy who texted their war plans to some reporter? I think the government wants us to think they're stupid, so our enemies underestimate us. It's called strategic income.
The voices are a little off, but still, this is very visually, very clearly South Park. I'm sure there's issues, copyrights. There must be. I don't know. Again, I haven't tried this myself.
You're being outperformed by a child, a fat child.
GenSpark Super Agent is designed for everyone, every day. If you're a marketer, find influencers and create engaging outreach campaigns. If you're a math teacher, visualize complex formulas in 3D. If you're a recruiter, compare candidates' LinkedIn profiles to find the perfect hire. If you're a tech enthusiast, turn a 5-hour YouTube interview into concise slides. If you're a designer, create St. Patrick's Day posters for Mercedes-Benz. If you're a music industry analyst, track global streaming patterns and write a report. So why does GenSpark Super Agent work better? The secret is there are 3 key innovations working together: large language models, toolsets, and datasets. They make GenSpark Super Agent fast, reliable, and super steerable. Solving these real-world problems is much harder than we thought, but we are super excited about the progress we have made so far. GenSpark Super Agent is for everyone and everyday tasks. Try GenSpark.ai today.
Are you impressed? I'm impressed. It looks pretty impressive. I still have to use it more in a day-to-day process, but I have a feeling that it might be at least taking some of the time from some of my other tools. Thanks for watching.